Section 4, number 5, you're going to complete the congruency statement based on the image. We want to see triangle LMQ is congruent to what here? So all we have to do is imagine this as like a person, and this person here is traveling from this letter, N, M, then Q. So the person starts here from N, okay, 1 mark, then he travels here to M, then he travels to Q. So he has to pass through those same places. So here, this is the 1 mark. So it starts at S. And then it goes here to T. Then it follows around to R. All right. So that person traveling based on the congruency statement allows us to also get the other congruency statement as well. Okay. Same thing here. CAB. Let's put the person right here. So we know that the person travels from CAB. So right here, C. And the person goes up to A, makes the first stop, then he goes down here. So the person passes through 1 mark, then the person passes through a section with no marks. Okay. All right. So where should we put the person here? All right. If we put the person here, we want to put the person also on C. Okay. And he goes through 1 mark, then he passes through no marks. So triangle CDE would work. All right, let's take a look at C. So the person travels from RST, so we put the person here, RS, then T. So he went from 1 curve to no curve, then he ends with 2 curves. All right, so we want to put the person here, and he fits that same pattern, right? 1 curve at T, then he goes to angle Q, which has no curves, then he ends with 2 curves at R, and the curve is that red curvy line. So triangle RST is congruent to triangle TQR.